Hi guys, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my little corner. If you like what you see, I hope you get to subscribe because
that would make me very happy.
Of course. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. I'm posting every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Wednesday and Friday are beauty videos and Sundays are weekly vlogs. So
Sorry.
Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day and yes, celebrate yourself because you should love yourself first because you are a priority. Because, I mean, come on, before loving somebody else, you cannot do that without loving yourself. That is a bit of KezziesCorner inspiration. Anyways, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. So yeah, I hope you like this. So yeah, have a lovely day. Bye! Okay guys, let's begin. I haven't done a voiceover in God knows how long. So the palette I'm using today is called the Turkish Delight palette, and the first shade that I'm going to be using is called Candy. So we're going to be applying this all over our crease and just a bit above the crease, and yeah, just blend it out guys, and also wing it out because we're going to be doing a full cut crease today because it's Valentine's Day. Also, before I filmed the video, I already had primed my eyes. The second shade I'm using today is called Roses, and yeah, just blending that into the crease a bit lower than the shade that we used before and winging it out ever so slightly as well. Okay, so now we're going to be using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and I'm applying this using my Wycon Cosmetics brush. I absolutely love this brush. I'll link it down below, what's it called, because I don't have it written right now, but it's a lovely brush to cut my crease. It took me a while guys, so just be patient with yourselves, it will happen. And then I'm also blending that out. So now we're going to be using the shade called Rosewater, and I actually dampened my brush using my Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist and just applying this shade in my inner corner, like half of my lid. And then I used the shade Pomegranate and I basically created an eyeliner. So I took a liner brush and I created like a wing line on my top lashes. So yes, sirree, that's what I did. I never did this before. This is my first time ever using a eyeshadow as an eyeliner, so I was quite happy with myself that I figured this cool trick that I never knew. Well, I knew, but I never tried it, so never mind. Kezia, shut up. Okay, now I'm using the Revolution Precious Stone Liquid Glitter Eyeliner in Gold Dust, and as you can see, I'm creating that line on the top part of my cut crease ever so gently. Be patient, guys. Be patient. And then I'm using, again, more rose water to emphasize the shade a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm using the Revolution Pore Perfecting Primer. I kind of applied too much of this. Yeah, that was a mistake on my end, but, you know, couldn't do anything about it, so I just blend it into my skin. Now I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and I apply this using my Freedom Makeup Sponge. Look at me go. There we go. Applying foundation. Just the norm. For concealer, I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And again, use my Freedom sponge to blend that out. And now to conceal under my eyes, to set under my eyes, I use the Rimmel Insta Fix and Matte Translucent Powder. And then for the rest of my face, I use my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Now I apply Delicacy in my inner corner, and then I applied Candy and Roses on my waterline, well, bit below the waterline, and just blend those two shades together. I curled my lashes and I applied the Revolution Mascara This kind of is dried out for me, so I need to repurchase it because it's one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I use the High Heart Revolution Toffee Apple in the shades called Toffee Apple as my bronzer. And absolutely love this bronzer, actually really blended out nicely and I loved it. And then I use Glaze as my highlighter, but I also use it as my brow bone highlighter as well. And then I spritzed away using my Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. As my lipstick, I use the Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte in the shade Dangerously Yours. And that is the makeup look for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then please subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day to all my beautifuls.